Hello everyone. In this quick video, I will show you two easy ways to delete pending updates on Windows 11. If a Windows update is stuck, failing to install, or causing issues, removing the pending update files can fix the problem immediately. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. First, let's go ahead and see the quick method using File Explorer. In your Start menu, just go ahead and type File Explorer. In the File Explorer, go to this PC, open up the C drive, then navigate to Windows folder, and here we want to find Software Distribution folder. Then go to the Download folder. Here we want to select all of the file and then just click the delete button. If it's asked for administrator rights, just go ahead and select do this for all current item and click on continue. Please note that you might have more than these files. Just make sure you have deleted all of the files from this folder. And the next quick method I want to show you is go to the start menu and type cmd. Here, right-click on the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator and select Yes. Let's go ahead and first clear the screen. Now here, please paste the command given in video description and this will stop the Windows Update services. And then to delete any pending updates, I will run this command. You could also get this command from the video description and let's press enter here. And here we didn't get any output as I already show you how to delete the pending updates using File Explorer. Now once you are done with this command, just go ahead and run this command to start the Windows services again. Perfect. So that's how you delete the pending updates in Windows 11 using File Explorer or the command prompt. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.